How to open Lloyds bank account for international students. Are you an international student planning to study in the UK and need a reliable bank account? In this guide, I'll walk you through the process of opening a Lloyds bank account designed for international students. So let's make your banking setup quick and easy. First, visit the Lloyds bank website and check the available student or basic current accounts. For international students, the student account or classic account is often suitable. Prepare your documents to ensure you have the following: a valid passport or national ID, your UK address proof such as a tenancy agreement or utility bill, a confirmation of your university enrollment such as an acceptance letter, a visa or residence permit if required. Visit the Lloyds Bank website and fill out the online application form. Upload your documents when prompted. You can also try booking an appointment at a branch near you and bring all your documents to the appointment for verification. Then, once your account is approved, download the Lloyds Bank mobile app. Register for online banking to easily manage your money, check balances and make payments from your phone. Make an initial deposit to activate your account. You can transfer funds from your home country or deposit cash directly at a branch of the bank. Opening a Lloyds bank account as an international student is a straightforward process when you have the right documents and follow these steps. Thanks for watching.